Hey y'all, I'm Sandy, also known as Ivy Wiggin, here on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Today I have the pleasure of reviewing two new pieces of jewelry from readyourheartjewelry.com. Now the reason why I continue to review for them, and this is the third time y'all, is because I just love their jewelry. I think it's beautiful. I don't put it in my jewelry box and never put it on again. I wear them all the time, and I love that they're affordable. I can be bougie on a budget. I should rename my channel Bougie on a Budget. That describes me perfectly. But right now you want to take advantage of their Mother's Day sale. You can buy one and get one half off. So that means you can buy one for yourself and then give a gift to your mother, your aunt, your best friend, whoever you choose, and get that one at 50% off. And then thereafter you can use my code IBWIGGIN15 to save you 15% off your purchase, and you can use that anytime that you want to. So make sure that you take advantage of that sale and my code, because we all want to save some money, do we not? Okay, so let's get into this review. So let's take a look at what you receive when you get your order from Read Your Heart Jewelry, and also how they package it. And I have to mention that they have made an improvement in their packaging. Now, I was fine with the packaging before, but they have made an improvement, and I think it was a really nice improvement, and I'm going to show you that. So first of all, I want to show you what you receive. You're going to receive this bag, and included inside is this gift bag that you can place your jewelry in if you're given it as a gift. So it has their logo on the front of the bag as well as their website. You're also going to receive a polishing cloth to clean your jewelry. And inside of the bag, you're going to receive the pamphlet that describes who Read Your Heart Jewelry is. And this is nice to keep handy as a reference. So it describes their brand, their story, and then on the back you have their return and their exchange policy, and then their jewelry care guide to how to take care of your jewelry. And then in this section it talks about the Moissanite and how it compares to the diamond and why it's the most popular alternative to diamonds. And then also on the back they list where you can find them on social media. So make sure that you keep this as a reference. So also inside of your package, you're going to receive a GRA Moissanite report. Now, every piece of jewelry that you order from Read Your Heart Jewelry has its own individual Moissanite report. It's not a general report over all Moissanite. It's specific for your jewelry piece. So we'll just look at I think this is the ring that I received. So we'll just look at that because it's the same. You receive a report for each one that you order. So inside of the packaging, and they have changed this because before it came in a yellow envelope. Now they have just changed the size of the report as well as the packaging that it comes in. And inside of the packaging of the plastic sleeve, you have the warranty card on your jewelry piece, and this is your limited lifetime warranty and your certificate of authenticity. And on the back it tells you what the GRA is and how the warranty applies to your piece. So that is also something you want to keep handy because it has your warranty ID number for the piece that you've received. And then you receive a Moissanite report on the jewelry piece that you ordered. And inside of the report it tells you the number, the shape, the cut of the style. It also lists the weight. I asked for the 3-point carat because y'all know I'm bougie. and it talks about where it falls on the clarity scale as well as the cutting and the color. And so you can see all of those specifications on your specific piece of jewelry when you receive it. Okay, so when you open your box, now you're going to see that, y'all, I took the necklace off already and I put it on because I knew that if I tried to put this on by myself with these nails, that it was going to be too much work. And it would have taken me all day to get this necklace on. So I took it off and put it on. But it came in the same kind of packaging. And there is an improvement. So what you're going to receive is when you get your box, they put a cardboard piece around your box to protect that box. And then when you open that, you'll see this really pretty blue, I love the color of this, gift ring box. And then on the top it's padded. It has their logo. And when you open it, this is the improvement, y'all. They put your jewelry inside of this plastic Ziploc bag. Now before, when I received it, the ring was already placed inside of the ring box and it was protected inside of here, but it may have moved, it may have come loose, and so it might have moved during the shipping. So in order to protect that ring, as an added step, they put it inside of this bag, and it is a nice heavy material, and that protects your ring. So when you receive it and you want to take it out and present it as a gift, then you'll just take it out of this bag, place it in the box, and it'll make a really nice presentation. And the necklace came packaged the exact same way. Okay, so I know y'all want to look at the ring. That's the most fun part of the whole video, and you're like, hurry up! I get it. Okay, y'all, so this is the ring that was sent to me, and it is stunning. I probably would say that this is my favorite piece that I've received from them so far, because it's unique, it's different, but it still has that bling and that wow factor, and that's what I'm about, y'all. So what this is this is the Moissanite, and I'll put it up on the screen so you can see a better look at it, because you're probably not going to be able to see it really good in the lighting here, but I will give you glimpses of it on the screen to get a better look. So this is the round cut Moissanite fashion sunflower Pave sterling silver ring. Now you've got that center stone in the middle, and as I said, I chose the 3 carat. You can choose a 1 carat, a 2 carat, or a 3 carat. And then surrounded around that Moissanite stone is, and I'm almost certain that these stones are Moissanite as well, but if not, they're possibly cubic zirconias. I'll have to check it. I'll list that also on the screen as well, what these exact specifications are. But you have it's in a Pave set. Now I want you to look at how that is set on that ring, just how pretty that profile is on that setting. It's just stunning, y'all. I just love the profile of this ring, how that stone is set up above that Pave setting, and then you have a total of 14 stones. You have 7 on one side and you have 7 on the other side, and it is in the shape of a sunflower. So when you look at it, the way that it is set, those stones that are around that round stone, the prongs give it the effect of a sunflower. It's just beautiful. And I chose the size 8, a size 8 on my finger, and it fits me perfectly. It doesn't move around. Just look at it, y'all. It is so pretty. And there's that profile from the side. Now, my thought was, well, because it sits a little higher, is it going to catch on my clothing? Not at all. I have worn it already. Y'all know If y'all watch my videos, I don't wait. I put them on before I even show y'all, so I always cheat. But also to let you know how it stands up when I wear it, and it really just never, it didn't snag on my clothing or anything, so it really is a really beautiful piece, and like I said, I think it's my favorite so far. Now it is set in .925 sterling silver, which lasts the lifetime of the ring. It's lead, cadmium, nickel, and allergy free, and then it's finely polished to a smooth surface. So you've got those 7 stones on each side, and then the back of the ring is that sterling silver, which I like that, because if you have the stones that go all the way around, that sometimes does snag on your clothing. So it is just the 7 stones on each side, but it is so pretty. I love this, y'all. I mean, it's just really that pretty. I'm obsessed. Gorgeous piece, and like I said, you have that brilliance, you have that shine, it sparkles in the sunlight, even artificial light, and no one would ever suspect that that is not a diamond. So you can receive this and feel absolutely comfortable if you're out of town and you take your jewelry, or you wear it every single day, and you have that comfort of mind knowing that you've got a beautiful piece of jewelry, but yet it's affordable, and you're not really nervous if something would happen to the jewelry, because you can easily replace it as at the fraction of a cost as you would a diamond. So let's take a look at the necklace now. So you can take a really closer look at the necklace. I'm just going to do a screenshot and let you see the necklace as I describe it to you. This is the round moissanite halo sunflower sterling silver necklace. It has a center round moissanite at the core and a halo of 14 cubic zirconias encircling it. This is the carat weight of 1 carat. You can also choose up to 2 carats. The necklace is set in 925 sterling silver. The chain length is 16 inch, and you have a 2-inch adjuster. I'll put a link in the description box below where you can shop directly for this ring and necklace and see all the other available options at readyourheartjewelry.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time on I Be Wiggin'.